What is a photon? What speed do photons travel in a vacuum? Who proposed the concept of light quanta, photons? What is the energy of a photon directly proportional to? Which type of wave is light? What is the unit of photon energy? Which color of light has the most energy per photon? What phenomenon supports the particle nature of light? What is the formula for the energy of a photon? What does H represent in the photon energy equation? Which light has the shortest wavelength? What happens when a photon is absorbed by an atom? Can photons have mass? What happens to photon energy as frequency increases? Which light is not visible to the human eye? What do polarized sunglasses block? What causes rainbows? What is the speed of light in a vacuum in meters per second? Which travels slower in glass? Red or blue light? What is light made of? Which device uses photons to generate electricity? What is emitted in a laser beam? What part of the spectrum is used in TV remotes? What happens in stimulated emission? Which light has the longest wavelength? What color is created by combining all visible light? How is photon momentum calculated? What happens to light speed in water compared to vacuum? Can light exert pressure? What detects photons in cameras? What is the quantum of the electromagnetic field? What kind of light causes sunburns? Which discovery earned Einstein a Nobel Prize? Which has higher energy, blue or red light? What does a prism do to white light? What is monochromatic light? What defines the brightness of light? What are coherent photons? Which light type penetrates the skin deepest? What happens to photons in a black hole? Which photon has more energy, X-ray or microwave? What does refraction involve? What is diffraction? Can photons interfere with each other? What is the wave-particle duality? What produces light in a light bulb? What is Cherenkov radiation? Which field do photons belong to in quantum physics? What causes redshift? What do fiber optics transmit?